this is me manually trading 50x. Now I'll show you. I just made $20 and I traded with $200. So I need you to observe. This is me. What I have here is $200. You can see the value, $200. Now the auto robot is going to take its own. Now when a signal comes, it's going to trade it. So I'm waiting. Timer. If no signal comes, it's not going to trade, right? So right now there is no tangible signal, so that's why it's not trading. You can hear the voice, right? It's telling me the status of the whole thing. So I'm going to be waiting for RoBot to do his own trade. So I'm going to leave this page here. I've done a manual trade. This is a manual trade I did, which is 10%. So I've just made $26, right, under a few seconds. Now I'm going to be waiting for RoBot to do his own, so I may have to pause. I don't want to close this page, so I'm going to be pausing, right? Okay, I'm back. I'm still waiting. I'm waiting for the robot to do his show. You need to understand there is a waiting period. So don't just think, oh, the thing will just be doing shwa shwa shwa. There is a waiting.
2 minutes is over and macro enabled.
Are you hearing? So
beginning
we're waiting
of timer.
For signal.
Get ready for trading signal.
If there's no signal, it's not going to do anything. So I don't think there's signal right now. So I'm going to wait again.
End of 10
I'm
seconds.
showing you the process. So
First
you
10
understand.
seconds is over.
Okay.
Check for trading actions.
I'm pausing again. I'm going to be back.
On volatility
okay.
50x index.
That's a signal there.
Get ready for trading signal.
Okay. You can see it's loading the page up. If it's slow, I don't expect this trade to be taken.
First 10 seconds is over.
Why?
Check for trading
the
actions.
loading is very slow. So you can
check
see
if trade is on for volatility
no trade
index.
has been placed because my internet took time to load. So these are one of the advantages to avoid you having a wrong entry, a delayed entry. Now there was a signal, a timely signal, right one on 10 index, but it was my internet very slow. You need to understand that in the game of trading, your internet play a major role. So most of the other actions are still ongoing right now. They are still ongoing. So I'm going to show you separately, right? I'm going to show you separately. You can see that's a signal. This signal is on 10x. I'm going to now show you the difference between me and the robot. The robot is still having its activity
closed after
going.
1 minute. Check result.
Right, it still have its activity going. I just want to show you. You can hear it has announced. If it had entered the trade, you would have checked the result. So now I'm trying to see what I can show you. I want to personally do this trade. Okay. And I'm going to be doing it with 200 so that you see the difference. Okay, let me use 17 here. Okay, so that you see the difference. There is a difference between myself and computer. Okay, so I am waiting. If I'm going to get a signal,
get ready for trading signal. 2 minute is over and macro enabled.
If RoBot gets signal before me, he would take a trade. So, but I am waiting for signal. Possibly.
First 10 seconds is over.
Now, first
check
10
for
seconds is over. I can't basically do any trade right now. No trades. Forget it. No trades. Okay, but I was able to show you my own trade. Now, I want to show you while the robot is taking its own. So, RoBot take its time, selects signals, selects everything, but I don't. This is my I'm showing you now. This is a manual trading, right? A manual trading that I am doing manually. It's a manual trading. Now, I can't trade this again, but I'm going to wait for probably a signal that I can trade manually and show you. You get to see the waiting period. Now, that's a signal. I'm trading this manually now. Yeah, you can see I'm entering 200. So I'm trading it manually. and you can see I have won with the signal. You can see my hand. See me. I'm the one pressing this one, not RoBot. RoBot is going to do its own, and me showing you is the same signal RoBot is trading. So all I'm saying the RoBot is doing now, it's doing trades. It's doing trades based on, oh, I forgot, can you imagine? I'm using alerts here. I'm not supposed to use those alerts. Okay, I can enter this trade again. Now this is manual, me trading manually. It's not RoBot now.
2 minute is over and macro enabled.
Oh.
Beginning of timer. Beginning of timer.
RoBot is going to do
signal on volatility 10 index. Get ready for trading signal.
That's RoBot taking its own trade now. If it's fast enough, my own trade should have pulled through. If it's fast enough,
first 10 seconds is over.
It didn't pick it.
Check for trading actions.
Let me go and check my own trade. No need of checking. You can see the result already.
Volatility index.
You can see the result of my own trade already. You can see the result. So my money is already increased. So if the RoBot took that trade, it would have won. It's because I'm interfering. Now I'm tired of waiting. I don't have that time to wait. I don't have time to wait, but I wanted to show you guys how the RoBot trades. So I think what I'm going to do is that I'm going to pause. You can see RoBot is still this one now is RoBot is still doing all his stunts now because it was supposed to have entered a trade as at then. Okay, what I'm going to do right now, this is 100x. RoBot is not going to pick it. I don't want to pick it either, so I'm going to be waiting.
Trade closed after 1 minute. Check result.
You can see it's telling me that trade that I took that time, it would have closed it by now, and that trade would have been won because I also won my own trade, right? Okay, so I'm going to pause and wait for. You can see I was trading with 200. I purposely was trading with 200. So you see RoBot is trading with $20. So we're going to wait for RoBot to do a single trade. Now you'll get to understand the difference between myself and the RoBot. Now the RoBot gets to open a fresh page. Now I'm going to close all these pages while waiting, right? You're going to see only Google so that I don't do any trades again. Trading is over and macro enabled. Okay,
get ready for trading signal.
One signal is
beginning
coming.
Of timer.
Please,
signal on volatility 25
yourself.
Index.
Internet, please respect yourself.
First 10 seconds
my internet is behaving very slow.
Check
and
for
very
trading
sluggish.
actions.
Okay, good. It was able to pick this one. But I think it still picks it a bit
Check
late.
If trade is on for
it's
volatility index.
Okay, can you see the trade picked by the RoBot? Now, it's like half seconds, but you can see it's trading with $20. So there is a difference between the trades I did and the trade RoBot did. Now it's going to announce itself. Now I got to show you so that you understand that the RoBot is trading me. Yeah, it's trading me the way I trade. That's what it's doing. So you have to you have to be patient. You don't have to rush it. It can make you 5% of your capital every day. Even if you have losses, you'll still be in profit at the end of the month. You're not going to be having profit every day, but every
trade
day,
closed after 1 minute. Check result.
Now, that's the lapse time for the RoBot. You can see the difference between RoBot trading and my own trading. Now, it is not all the time the trade that the RoBot takes are very fast. No, there are times it picks trades and you end up with losses. It will cut the losses. Your own job is just to power it on, monitor, stay on your browser, dedicate 1 hour. You are not going to use up to 1 hour. Okay, right now I've not used 10 minutes. I have already done 1 trade by the RoBot, but it has had about 3 or 4 signals, but it didn't pick them. Why? They were too slow.
2 minutes is over and macro enabled. Beginning of timer.
Okay, this is a fresh one.
Signal on volatility 10 index.
Get
ready for trading signal.
100. It's taking a new one. Now I need you to see it.
First 10 seconds is over.
Okay.
Check for
Can
trading
you see it? I
actions.
speak the trade.
Check if
Can you
trade is on
see?
for volatility index.
Now, I need you to see. Can you see the results for the RoBot? Now, your internet has to be very, very good. Now, there is also provision for people whose internet are very sluggish, because internet can mess you up sometimes. Now, I just said I need to do this for those who are already on it. Now, let me tell you, the RoBot is only available for limited people. It's one right now. It's $120. That's about 60,000 naira. But by next year, the actual price is going to be $300. That is, the way it works is that when you pay the first time payment, you are only paying that $300. If it is now $300, you're going to be paying that $300 once. Your subscription on a monthly basis is going to be 20,500 naira. That's $50. Now you're going to be subscribed to the Pro Signal service, which is the version 3.5. You need to understand, once you have that subscription for your RoBot, it's going to be trading. You can also use it to trade personally, so you don't need any other thing. Now I need to switch it off. If I don't, and it's quite simple switching off the RoBot, I'll just do like this, and you're not going to hear it sound again. It's not going to take over anything on my account. So I've been able to do 2 trades. You've seen them. Now look at them. They are here. You can see the first one is this one, 25 index. It trades all. You can see signals are still coming in, but I've shut down my RoBot. It's to do just 3 trades. 3 trades per day. That's all. 3 trades. Once it's done with the 3 trades, close. Just stop. If you do not obey this, you will be the one trading, not the RoBot. You that you have always binary have always given you upper cut, lower cut, and everything. You will be the one trading, not the RoBot. So I'm showing you this so that you get to understand that the RoBot can make you good money. Now this is one trade. Look at it. One trade. What percentage is this? I don't even know what percentage. Okay, that's 13%. So imagine if you do 3 trades. That's like almost 40% every day. So if you are making 30% of your stake every day, it's almost like 6% of your capital. So you need to understand. It's possible, it's doable. Now I'm showing you can get to see. You see how clean my browser is, and you can see how my money is increasing. Apart from the fact that I traded before. Now I show you manual trading. You saw manual trading. Now if the RoBot picks a trade and the trade did not pull through as fast as it should, it has 50 seconds to close it. You don't need to interfere. All you need to do is just be looking. Oh, it has done 1, it has done 2. When you launch your Chrome and you launch the RoBot and you start monitoring, that's all you do. So it's quite important for you to know. So I'm showing you this so that you get to see with real money, real everything. If you're wondering, oh, what does the RoBot do? You only get to pay one time. When you pay right now, I only have space for like 5 people. 5 people. There are some people who have sent messages, but they have not made payment. That's why it's 5. I only need 30 people. So if I get the 5 people, hey, it's no longer $120. It's $300. Yes, it is. And when you make that payment, you are going to, after 45 days of signal service of you trading, that's when you now subscribe to the signal for the RoBot. The RoBot trades TMNmedia strategy. He's not trading any other thing other than my strategy. It trades the way I trade. That's all. That's what it do. So it does. So check the image. Check the image below. You see. Let me show you the trades I've done. You can see all the trades I've done, right? Including. Okay, let me show you some of the ones I've done. You can see some of the ones I've done, but check the image I'm showing you right now below this profit table. Okay, let me show you profit table like this. You check the image right now. And when you check the image, what you should do when you check the image is to see that what you need to do right now. But this is going to change. So I'm putting it there. What you're seeing in this video right now is the actual price it's going for from next year. Now that's when I'm going to be accommodating new people. I'm going to create more rooms for more people to come in. But right now, I want this first set of 30 people to grow together with me for us to make $1 million against January. That's the plan. So you're going to also get supervision from me. So we're going to be in a group community together where I'm going to be encouraging you, asking for your report. You are going to treat this as a business. It's a business. It's only when you treat binary as a business you get to make money. If you don't, hey, you continue to come and think you're going to hammer today, and tomorrow you'll go back crying. So guys, this is me sharing with you, showing you how possible, how realistic it is. Just with these 2 trades alone, it's $5. So imagine $20 making $5. That's 25% of that $20. 25%. Imagine that's 2 trades. So if it's now 3 trades, I should be getting like $8 or $7. So you need to understand, is this doable? You don't need to do plenty. Just do small and you'll be good. This is TMNmedia saying, practice, learn, practice, and you will surely earn. Hey, slow but steady. Don't rush so that you can hammer.